hopefully tomorrow we can do actual fun stuff with the engine and the running of the mower. But yeah, good luck. Alright, so we got a few things done. We got the gas tank dry, got zip tie there, got our lube. Obviously I just showed that this has been painted very terribly. And first order of business with this is we're going to remove this ugly cover off of there. Alright, so bad news. This all, like, I mean, you can just, yeah. That ain't good. And these are very loose. Oh god, I'm scared for what I'm gonna find under here. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, the decent news, this doesn't look like it's been wet for sure. We can establish that, right? Who knows what could be? Oh my god. Oh my lord. Ooh, jeez. Not pretty. Next thing, we're gonna get this freaking cover off. Alright, I haven't even opened it yet and I can already see a problem. This is supposed to be inside, so that explains why that thing was rubbing on it. Hey, she don't look bad in there. Okay. The coil definitely seen better days. She doesn't make very concerning sounds when I spin her over. We got issues with the cooling fin, but they are all there, so that is no issue. Cooling fin. Ooh, we got a little guy in there. You see him? And he's alive. If he's wanting to stay alive, he better hit the road though. Yeah, all the fins are clear. Okay. That's good news. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'll probably drop some gas in her. We're gonna push her outside, move big bro over there, and see what she does. Well, we gotta put a battery in first. But I'm gonna just like pre-assume that this starter is probably not gonna do us no good. No, that starter is free. That starter is nice. But we have a brand new one right there if we want it. We've got a brand new carb. We've got a, well, I don't know if that coil is any good, but we do have one. I guess first things first, let's dump out all the oil. Alright, so it took a while and it took some pipe. I had to lay some pipe. But better news, the oil doesn't look god awful. Let's get a flashlight. There's some glitteries. That's normal though, I think. I don't see chunks, which is the most important thing. Well, I don't know, those look an awful lot like chunks to me. But there also was all this stuff that was in there before, so there's no telling. We'll spin her over a minute. I was spinning this thing the wrong way, so that's great for it probably. This thing didn't have very much oil in it. I'm hoping that it retains its oil. I mean, there's oil all over this thing though. I guess before we start this thing, we'll try to fire up the leaf blower and blow out some of this stuff. Okay, so she's unlubricated. The oil, it don't look bad. Let's not tighten the hell out of it like last. Alright, let's lube her up. We got Keeper SA30. I can find. Let's lube her up. Wipe this off the right way. How do we do? I can't tell. Alright, so we've got some issues. I mean, it's not doing anything. It's not clicking. Alright, so we're officially fried. It just does not turn on. It doesn't even try. It don't click. So I guess this dude rigged this thing so bad that it just is fried. I don't know. But I guess we'll try and check it out. I don't know, bro. Alright, so I'm gonna slap this thing back together partially, and I'm gonna take it to my grandpa's. I don't know if he's gonna let me. He's got a bunch of stuff in there in his garage, so. Alright, so we've cleaned the carb. I've had to replace the starter. We've got we got the wires unplugged somewhere in there. I haven't really done anything with this thing yet. It's got a little bit low oil. Right now, I'm gonna hook up the fuel line. I just sprayed the carburetor out, make sure all the things are clean. So I'm gonna put it back together and then try to start it up after I hook the fuel line up. So I'm gonna pull the fender again. I'm gonna go under the thing, route the line, connect it all up, make sure that tank is secure. Good luck. All right, it is currently 1 a.m. We've got the 19.5 right here. It's halfway in the shed, halfway out. The fuel tank is secure. We've got wire, chicken wire here, holding it down. And I'm just changing out the carburetor right now. Got the battery tray in. The battery, that's the other one. That's the battery, it's going in here. It's got a new starter, a new carburetor, and it has spark, but it didn't because, well, one, the solenoid was bad, so it wasn't turning over. We diagnosed that. And then next, one of the safety switches was plugged in, so it wasn't working. But for some reason, when I unplug it, it works. Works fine. But I thought you had to jump them, but I guess not. So this thing should run as long as it sucks fuel from the fuel pump. It's got to go from all the way back there up here. Hopefully the fuel pump's gonna be strong enough to do that. These spark plug boots are very loose still. I'm gonna clean those out and probably crimp into it. Got the fan going and the drop light. But yeah, and I've seen that the charging system might have worked on this, so that is just W's all around. But yeah, catch you when this thing runs. Alright, so we are back with this thing. I think we're ready for the first start. Let's go over what all we've done before we do that though. Started off, we fixed this hood. And then after that, I pulled this fender off. Secured this gas tank. Use some wire here. It is nice and secure. It has some gases. And then we figured out it has a bad solenoid and all the safety switches are bypassed. Then I had to replace the starter, and now I had to change the carb because it's not pumping fuel. Hopefully it is now. So I'm just gonna bottle feed it for now because it's gonna take a minute to, oh, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, anyways, I guess I'm gonna set you down and I'm gonna try to film this. Start up here. Let's see if she moves. It sounds good, dude. Dude, she moves. Let's go. It's our first time moving under our own power here. Runs. And it's not even smoking anymore. Dude, she fired up easy too. And it's running good. Yo, and the headlight works. We're gonna give it its first actual drive. Fire's right up, dude. Ice cold, mother. Ice cold. Heck, we'll even start in first.